Hi and welcome to Little Pottering Model Railway. Today I'm going to show you my allotments, which is my contribution to the layout. As a present, I got bought these greenhouses and a plant set. So with the greenhouses, you've got 2 greenhouses to make. This also included all the pots and sorry, the dog's just digging out there. That's fine. And all the benches. It's a lovely little kit, quite easy to make. And then to go with it, I was bought this flower set. So this contains over 100 flowers. I've probably got quite a lot left, even though I have used quite a lot. They all come in these little plastic things where you just break them off and add them to your display. So all sorts of flowers. Obviously, I don't know how it's... Oh, Quatty. Don't know how expensive these were because it was a present. But as you can see, I've still got quite a lot left. So if we look down at my model now, we can see how it all turned out. In this set, I got the little outside toilet, which was really nice, and some benches. The trees were all separate. There's something that I did myself, and the grass as well. I also had some gravel that I've put on there. That didn't come in the set. Greenhouse is a little bit fiddly to do, especially putting the plants in. I did put some of my pumpkins in. I don't know if you can see that. And obviously I made this allotment with 4 areas all planted up and some grass. I also did some paving around the outsides. So there we have it. My little contribution to Little Pottering Model Railway.